These particular plants do not grow in the soil, but in water. Hydroponic is a way of soilless cultivation of plants. It originated in Germany 170 years ago and was introduced into China in the 1990s. Soon got popular with many people. Zhao Jingya is one of them. She opened her own hydroponic plant shop. The seemingly easy process of moving a living plant from soil to water actually isn't that simple. It needs a due cost of techniques and time.
First of all, the roots need to be processed. Then it will take 2 months to a year for the plant to grow hydroponic roots. During the process, proper light and temperature are required. It is not like that a plant can be kept alive by simply dropping it into water after purchase.
Zhao Jingya has a small hydroponic plant cultivating base at home. She spent most of her time here to get familiar with the adaptability of each plant. The most difficult part in the acclimation of soil plants to hydroponic plant is to live through the unsinkable nirvana reborn with the plants.
For example, some plants lose all leaves in the process and later on to grow them back. It's like going through a reincarnation from death to life. Hydroponics only changes the living environment, not living habits.
Zhao Jingya grows each hydroponic plant with her own hand. They are like her babies. The loving care has been shown on the details of packaging. Each plant is protected by a shade made of hemp cord.
There are a couple of reasons for using hemp cord. The first is slide-proof. Another reason is covering the roots of plants to some extent. The third is it's a beautiful decoration.
A hydroponic plant in a beautiful vessel can bring to life a different green experience. Other than hydroponic plants, Zhao Jingya also creates miniature landscape. She thinks it's same as cultivating hydroponic plants, just matter of time.
Massive miniature I usually make with both land and water parts. Plants on top of water, it is more practical. I also use big potted plants for details and calculation while designing miniature landscape.
Creating miniature landscape often needs to use some of the southern plants in order to make them more adaptable to the northern environment. Zhao Jingya uses a lot of materials such as sand and ceramide for they can lock moisture better to keep plant moist for a long time. In the creating process, she also puts her life experiences into the miniature landscape, showing views she sighted inside the little setting of a few square meters.
I recently did a landscape named Morning Glory. It is a scene when I went to Nepal trekking. One morning, I walked out the guest house into the woods. We needed to cross the stream to the other side to continue our journey. I made the miniature based on my experience on that morning.
Hydroponic lovers are called green fan online. In addition to making hydroponic plant and miniature landscape, Zhao Jingya also plays a role as a green doctor in the green fan group, answering all sorts of questions concerning plant free of charge. That brings her hydroponic shop many regular customers. And just like that, Zhao Jingya immerses herself in the world of cultivating plants, enjoying life. TJTV World.